Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Smart and Fashion. So friends, how are you all? I hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying my videos. In today's short video, I'm going to share with you a very lovely and beautiful idea of crochet work. You can see crochet summer hat designing ideas which are made with the help of interconnected flower work and coaster works. So these are very beautiful and lovely ideas, and you can see some of the designing ideas are simply made with help of 5 or 6 petal flowers, and you can also see these kind of shell stitch patterns as well as some 3D flower patterns are also included. So these are very beautiful and lovely summer hat designing ideas, so you should must try in this summer season. These are made with the help of 3-ply cotton yarn, so you can also use 3-ply cotton yarn to make these ideas. Some of the designing ideas are even made with the help of 2-ply yarn, so must try these ideas by yourself at home, or else you can also buy from Etsy, Amazon, eBay, crochet websites, or even from any crochet work expert. Like, share and subscribe. Bye.